Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are doing a get ready with me. I am creating this look but mostly just sitting down with you guys and chatting. If you enjoy get readies with me, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So let's get ready. So, all right, we're gonna start with skin like I pretty much always do. I'm probably just going to mention some of the products, but not all of them, because I'm just gonna kind of talk through this and get ready like I normally would. But just so you know, this is one heck of a blot mattifying primer by Soap and Glory. I'm just putting that in my T-zone like normal if you guys watch basically any of my videos. And then taking this L'Oreal Glotion and putting that everywhere else, but not where I have blemishes. I basically do these steps almost every time I wear my makeup because I just like how it looks. I don't know. I just like it. If you guys don't have one of these cups, kind of like a Yeti, you freaking need one. I love them so much. But mine is from Sick, the Sick brand. It's really good. I'm going to take my L'Oreal True Match foundation. So I've been off caffeine right now for about, oh, that's way too much foundation. That's the problem with this. I need to get like a pump for it or something because it's so annoying. I always pour way too much foundation out. I've been off of caffeine now for about, well, I was off of it for about a week. And then, as some of you guys saw on my Instagram stories, I did something with Bare Minerals that I can't talk about. But anyway, I was in New York with them, so I was really tired. And anyway, I needed caffeine when I there and when I got home. And then it was Easter, and I was spending it with my family, so I was like, okay, give me the caffeine now. But I only had like one coffee, and then instead of like 2 or 3. And then I got back home. I'm in Pennsylvania again, obviously, because I'm in my like studio. And then now I'm off coffee again. I just felt like I was so dependent on it. And it just made me feel groggy sometimes. And like I would have the caffeine, almost like I was crashing, because I would have the caffeine and then I would just feel groggy later on in the day, and it was a bad cycle. So I decided to stop. I freaking love coffee though, so it's been hard because I just like the taste of it. So I've gone to like Starbucks and just ordered a decaf coffee because I like coffee. I need to probably just buy decaf coffee. So anyway, there's my spiel about coffee. But for real, if you guys haven't ever like been off of caffeine, and you can do it like on a weekend where you just sleep when your body wants you to sleep and you just kind of rest, it is amazing. Like I freaking was so happy to do it. I need a hair tie. This is ridiculous. Anyway, obviously I'm in my freaking sweats and everything. I'm just getting ready. I already did my hair because I like to do my hair before my makeup for some odd reason. So anyway, oh yeah, it's early for me too. It's like, well, I guess now it's 9 o'clock, but I've been up since 7:30. It just feels really nice to be able to like wake up and not be like a zombie until you have coffee. Like, I don't know, it's just really nice. Okay, so I'm just using my Collab Beauty Concealer. Spot Conceal, I still freaking love this concealer to spot conceal. Look how well it matches. This is the shade Honey/Almond. Now I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer. What else can we talk about? Lately I've been not liking as bright of an under eye. So I kind of just mixed the one that's my skin tone with it. Maybe it's because that Genevieve tutorial. If you guys haven't watched that, I followed along with a Genevieve tutorial. She's another YouTuber on YouTube. But yeah, I followed along with one of her makeup tutorials and completed it, and it was, I don't know, it was really fun. I haven't followed along with a makeup tutorial in so long. Like I watch them quite a bit, but I don't usually actually follow along with it. Oh, also, how amazing was my PR package from CoverGirl? Like, what? So I knew something was coming from CoverGirl, but I didn't know it was going to be something so like huge until I started seeing a bunch of other people posting like PR pics and stuff like that. And then I was like, wait, is that what's coming to me? Because if that's what's coming to me, I'm going to freak out. So if you guys saw my Instagram stories, you would know what I'm talking about, but basically CoverGirl sent me a huge PR package, which I am forever grateful for because I am doing a huge new products review. There are definitely some hits and some misses. I'm going to be using some of the products today. So yeah, that's for real, like the biggest PR package that I've ever gotten. Like I've never really gotten strictly PR, like something other people get. I usually just get like, a brand will kind of be like, oh, I want to send you these for you to like try out or whatever. You know, it's not like actual PR. That doesn't even happen very often anyway. So I was very, very excited and very grateful because now I can try all this stuff out for you. Speaking of CoverGirl products, I'm going to use the Vitalist Healthy Powder in the shade Classic Ivory. Or should I use that first? No, never mind. Another CoverGirl thing. This one I haven't used this shade of. This is the Vitalist Healthy Glow. Actually, I should get one of the darker shades since I am darker right now and see if this works. Hold on. Okay, so I'm bouncing around everywhere. But these little Vitalist Healthy Glow highlighters, they're like these pots came, and there's like 6 of them. And the shades are just not the best in my opinion. But I'm going to try one of the darker ones and see. See, I feel like it's too dark. There's this one, which is, it's just number 3, and it's like a very dark kind of rosy shade. Yeah, that's gonna be too dark for me. So there's like there's like 4 darker shades, which I feel like would be more for like your eyes or something, and there's like these 2 stark white shades. But I'm gonna try this stark white one, because I've tried a different one. I just feel like this is gonna be a disaster. Okay, this is the shade 2, and this one's basically that light white, but it has yellow throughout it, like a yellow shimmer. So this one I feel like mixes better with my skin tone. It's pretty, but I feel like there's too much glitter. The other shades could be really pretty as like eyeshadows and maybe even like kind of festival season. Okay, I was gonna use this smoky palette, but I'm just like not feeling it. So I'm gonna take the shade 3 from this, from these highlights. Like, I'm just never usually feeling a smoky eye unless I'm like going out or something. Here, I'll zoom you guys in. So I wanted to use that smoky palette today, but like I'm just not feeling it. Oh, that's really pretty on the eye though. And I'm gonna take this shade number 5. This is just a lot darker. And I'm gonna take a synthetic brush. I wonder if this will pick up. And just kind of smudge this on the outer corner. This is interesting. I've used these on the cheeks, but I haven't used them on the eyes yet, so I like it. Okay, so is it really cold where you guys are? I know it's April and like it snows in April quite a bit in the north. The king in the north. If you guys watch Game of Thrones, comment down below. And I'm so sad that Game of Thrones won't be back on until like 2019. Like, what the hell? But anyway, if you guys live in the north and you are getting snow, let me know. I mean, we have not really gotten like snow, like we haven't gotten stuff on the ground, but it like continues to have flurry type things. On Thursday, I think it is, it's gonna be like 60, 66 maybe. Friday is supposed to be like, what was it? 77, I think. I need to check this. You guys, like, I cannot wait for the warm weather. You have no idea. Okay, it is 30 degrees right now. It's going to be 46 today. That's better. 69 now on Thursday, but a lot of wind. 75 Friday. 77 on Saturday. You guys living in warmer weather are probably like, oh, we get this, like, all the time. Not us northerners, okay? Okay, now I'm going to set my under eyes finally. Make sure I don't have any creases. I am now going to use this Vitalist Healthy Powder in the shade Ivory like I said I was. Again, if you guys want to see a full review on all these CoverGirl products, make sure to go check it out. I know this probably seems like a CoverGirl video right now, but I promise I do really like these products. And obviously this video is not sponsored. They just sent them to me in PR and I wanted to try them out for you guys because why not? I love new drugstore things and getting them all just sent to me was like the best thing in the freaking world. This is the CoverGirl soft brown ultra fine brow pencil. I've been really liking this, but I'm actually going to use this pomade that they have. I don't even know what it's called, but it has a little brush at the top. How cute. All right, so I'm going to do my brows quick, and then I'll probably be back because this is already 20 minutes long, and I just feel like this video is going to be 10 light years long. All right, I am now back. The brows are all done. I really like how that pomade looks on my brows. I'm just using my Collab Beauty mascara. Okay, now obviously onto the face. I'm going to use my Hoola bronzer. So another thing I wanted to talk to you about was my background. So I'm kind of like sick of it and how cluttered it is. I just kind of feel like I want something, I don't know, more minimalistic. But the problem is I'm probably going to have to still have this dresser in the background just to like get stuff high enough to be behind me because I can't hang shelves in here. First of all, we can't drill in the walls, and second of all, like, why would I do that? We're going to be leaving at the end of July, so tell me what you guys think. What should I put back there? I'm thinking a little bit more like greenery or something. I don't know, just to kind of like liven it up a little bit. I just feel like there's a lot of white, and also I don't like how many things are behind me. It's like kind of bothering me. So something more minimalistic, something with more like a canvas here or something, and like a plant or a plant here, and like, I don't know, just like only a few perfumes or something up here. But my problem is like I don't have a lot of storage, so then I don't know where to put everything. Okay, for blush, I'm going to use this PROFUSION blush palette. I haven't really used this much. I did a whole video on like 2 other of their products, the eyeshadow palette and then like this lip kit. And I'm just going to mix some of these. They are powdery and there's a lot of pigment. But I don't mind that because I think it's pretty and it's so affordable. Like all of the PROFUSION stuff is crazy affordable. Highlight, I'm going to use the LA Girl Strobe Light in the shade 50 Watt. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the whole background situation. If you like it, if you don't, what you think, more minimalistic. Something that still kind of screams Emily, but not so much stuff. Ah! This zit up here is just like the bane of my existence. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to use this CoverGirl Queen Collection Major Shade in the shade Insider. So you'll see in that video, but I have a love-hate relationship with these lip products. I think I might put a gloss on top just because I'm feeling glossy lips at the moment. Oh my god, my lips are lopsided. Hold on a second. Feeling the whole like mauve-y thing. Oh yeah. Much better. Oh, this is the e.l.f. Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade Champagne Glam. I love this shade so much. I wear it constantly. So, okay. Let's spray the face real quick. I'm going to, again, use a CoverGirl product. This is the Look Lock-Up All Day Setting Mist. So, it smells like cucumbers. It really does. All right, you guys, that is it for my makeup. Thank you so much for getting ready with me if you did, or just obviously watching me get ready. I had a lot of fun with this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed my little ramblings and everything. Let me know again about the background in the comments down below. I would love to know your input of what you like to see in the background of my stuff. So thank you again for watching. If you like Get Readies with me, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel down below. And I will see you in a video very, very soon. Bye!